another IPSY product, and I got not one but 2 boxes, so I can't wait to see what's inside. I hope so. Yes, and this gives my selections on what I got. Now I just need my reading glasses and we can start this lovely unbagging for the IPSY April 2022 basic bag. Oh, look how adorbs that is. That is so cute. I love the daisies on there. So adorbs. Okay. I can't wait to dive in and see what's in here. Okay. All right. So maybe I'll try to just go in order of the bag, like what's on the sheet here. Okay. So the first thing I have here is from Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Liner. Ooh. I'll put the price somewhere here so you can see. I'm just gonna unbox this so we can see. I have so many liners. I think I need to tell IPSY I need a break from the liners because I really need to use what I have. But then, you know, some company comes out with a new liner and I just have to try it. So it is what it is. Again, kids, don't try this at home. I am using a blade, which I don't recommend. But for me, it's the easiest way to get through the getting out of this packaging that I see. I don't recommend it for everybody. And I even get nervous holding a blade with nothing surrounding it. So just be careful with that. Don't do what I do. All right, so this is what it looks like. Feels like there may be a little like ball in there to make sure the liquid stays liquid, and that's the point right there. It's a broad, it feels like a felt tip. It has like a slight chemical smell, but at least it's not flowery or fragrant. So just so you know, never heard of the brand, but definitely I'm gonna try it on my looks for this week going to school. Let's see, what else do I have here? Ooh, and this is from Cosrx, and this is their Master Patch Intensive. I like these. So I was glad to see that they were being offered again. And I'll put the price tag on that. Let's see here. I don't. I just noticed this detail, this little daisy. Isn't that cute? Adorbs. All right. So I'm unzipping. As I'm looking around, look at that pretty color. Ooh, what brand is this? This is V Cosmetic Lightweight Powder Blush in Magnolia. So pretty. That's an interesting symbol. I don't know if that was like 2 snails looking opposite each other or what. That's a very interesting symbol. And I'll put the price there as well. That color is everything. You know what? I'm a little like pale right now. I don't really have any color. I don't have anything on, to be quite honest. I'm a little. Why not? Ooh, that's color payoff right there. Ooh, yeah. So a little goes a long way, my friends. Just saying. Look at that. Right. That I love. And you can also always pare it down a little so it doesn't look too, yeah, like that. It's a nice color. Oof. Nice. Okay, and look at that. I just woke up my face with that little dash of color. Amazing. Amazing. Ooh, what else do we have here? You know me. This is the Way Body Creme. Look at that. I'll just show that to you. I love this brand. I'm just saying, it's one of my favorite higher cost brands, but I love it. I have their Body Wave hairspray that I think contains like a form of sea salt. I have their leave-in conditioner, the leave-in treatment. They just spritz on and go, and it detangles my hair beautifully without leaving it looking greasy, because my hair is on the thin wavy side. And so I'm dying to try their actual body brands. There you go. Love it. I wonder if it has that whey scent, because whey does have a unique scent. No, this smells slightly different. Very thick. Oh my goodness, look at that. Very thick, my gosh. Ooh. And it has again, if you're not into any kind of fragrance or scents, this may not be for you. Oh, but it feels gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I will be wearing this. It's just a small container, but I'm already in love. It kind of smells like their leave-in conditioner and has that unique scent, but I will post that somewhere here. But that's it's a beautiful, beautiful, thick scent product. In question is called Melrose Place. So moving on from the Whey body cream in Melrose Place, there's one more thing here. Wander Beauty. I believe this is the mascara, which I think I have a few lying around somewhere. I actually had to throw away a few because they dried out. Because again, once you open up a mascara bottle, it's the clock's working against you, because air has now been introduced into the tube. But yeah, this is Wander Beauty. This is pretty good. This is their Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara in Tarmac. Okay, that doesn't really give me a deep description as to what color it is. Are Tarmacs usually brown or black? Okay, so I'm gonna undo this. There it is right there. Okay, I don't know why it looks like that. I just opened it, so it shouldn't be. Maybe it's just not on the liquid side, but I will try this. Okay. All right. So, big applicator head. I'm just curious as to why. But then I think Wander Beauty, they use different ingredients and they're more clean, so maybe it has to do with why it looks like it's almost dried out from the tube. Okay, and that is essentially it of the picks for the Glam Base IPSY bag. Love it. Love, again, that detail right there of the daisy. I love it. But of course, I also got some add-ons as well, and I'll show them here just because. Yeah, so the sample I got is from Benefits Boing, which, as I recall, was the very first video I ever did for this channel, featured Benefits Boing. It used to be in the tub, and now it's moved into this. So, yeah. The next thing I have, so I hold this product very, very dear to my heart. The next one thing I have here that I got for as an add-on is the Glow Recipe. Ooh, is this the watermelon? Yes, watermelon glow, which I'll probably use tonight. Sample. And then finally, last but certainly not least, from Verso is their night cream. I've heard good things about this brand, and a night cream is always good. And plus, they're small, so you can throw them in your bag on the night carrier and just keep it moving. So I don't know if it has a scent. I think I may have gotten this before. I don't know. Oh, but it does have a seal, which is nice. So I'll try that real quick. Ooh, wow. That came out really, really quick. Like I barely squeezed and I went, whoop. Like, it does have a scent. I'm not sure if I like it or not. But this is a night cream with retinol 8. So definitely something to wear when I go to sleep at night, I guess. Very hydrating. So I'm putting this on both hands. It's very hydrating. Oof, it feels delicious. I love it. It has a slight plant smell. It's the closest I can think of. All right, so what did you think of the IPSY Glam base bag? Shall I continue? Because I did get another box, but maybe I'll save that for my next video. Could be add-ons, could be something special. So I'm gonna see, let's just dive in, shall we? Sales or add-on sales, where they present everything at 50 to 70% off its retail price. So I just had to, I was tempted, I dived in. The first thing I got is from Jecca Black, and this is their liquid concealer. I've tried it before because I got it in one of my bags. Loved it. So I ordered another one. I think, again, this is in 1.0. The next thing I got, which I can't wait to try, and I will feature in a future video, I promise. But I know it's been featured around. And it's from Violet Floss. And if you follow my channel at all, you know how I feel about certain colors, especially for eyeshadow. So I had to get this. This is the Olive You Forever. See how it looks inside. I'm looking at this the same time you are. Wow. Okay, I was really expecting more greens, like an olive, a navy, a spring, but I see I have a shimmers of green. Oh, when I hear Olive You Forever, I thought there would be more like greens, but these are complimentary and you can get multiple looks out of it. I will be shooting a video. I'll be filming a video, I mean, about this one. Yeah, so excited. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, last but not least, so I didn't order a lot, just a few. It's from a company called By Me, and I have 2 of these. I'm not sure why. Oh, I see. One is a pure powder blush, and one is a sheer brilliance highlighter, and it's called By Me, but it's my beauty brand. And it's like, so that's the blush. It has a mirror, which is nice. A bit smooth. There is a little bit of powderness to it. That's the shade. Everyone's a photographer, but no one gets the picture. Own your own beauty. Okay. And this is called Jacqueline Gold. I wonder why Jacqueline, but sexy, but you know this is going to get a lot of fingerprints, but I don't care, it's gorgeous. And that's the highlighter. Oh, I'm just gonna put that there. Do you see it? Ooh, that is pretty indeed. Nice. It goes on so, and it doesn't stay on your finger after. That's nice. So what did I think of my selections from the IPSY add-ons, edit sales? I say, yay, way to go. IPSY is on the right track and continues to blow me away with the options that they have. So what do you think? That's it for my review. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest IPSY unbagging, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.